Looking for the best live webinar coupon codes to save money on your subscription? You're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to grab exclusive live webinar promo codes, apply them at checkout, and get the maximum possible discount. Stick around. I've got multiple working codes for you and a special link in the description that updates automatically with the latest deals. First, click the special discount link in the description. This will take you straight to Livewebinar's official website where you can browse their plans from free to pro to business and custom solutions. Once you've picked the plan that fits your needs, click Buy Now or Upgrade and go to Checkout. Look for the coupon code or promo code box. This is where you'll paste the code. Here are some working live webinar coupon codes you can try today. Live 10% off any Pro Plan subscription webinar, 15% off annual plans, best value, Biz 20, save 20% off, business plans for teams, TripPro 30, 30-day pro trial at a discount code in 10, exclusive coupon code in code for 10% site-wide. Apply one of these codes, hit Apply or Validate, and watch your total price drop instantly. Complete your payment using card, PayPal, or other supported methods. Pro tip. If you're hosting regular webinars, go for the annual plan and apply these codes. It saves you more long-term compared to monthly billing. And that's it. A quick and easy way to save money with Livewebinar using these promo codes. So don't forget to check the description for my special discount link because I keep it updated with the latest working offers. If this video helped you save, hit the like button, subscribe for more software and SaaS deals, and share this video with someone who hosts webinars.